Hey guys, what is this no? No is a particle that connects noun and noun. For example, 私 and 名前, right? I and a name. I name, but we need to say my name. 私 plus no goes to my. It's pretty simple. 私の名前. In my case, 私は and then now I'm going to use no. 日本語の先生です。Need to anyway exercise. Student of the Japanese language. Student of the Japanese language. Whenever it comes to the of, you need to swap the places. English and Japanese, okay? So start from Japanese language and of, go back. Kind of think that of is no. And then student. We're gonna do two exercises together. My teacher, 私 plus 先生. Yes, 私の先生. The next one, my telephone number. 私電話番号. Yes, 私の電話番号. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you liked it, please subscribe and hope to see you next time. またね.